If we're gonna be completely honest, I woke up at 5 a.m. today and it is 9 p.m. right now. I am so tired. Makeup has been on since 5 in the morning. Let's just start this video. Hey guys, it's me Erin, and today we are doing a really fun video. I tweeted to you guys what I should film for a video, and you guys responded saying you really wanted a hair video for like hats. So when it gets really hot or just it's kind of gross and you kind of want your face protected but you still want to look kind of cute, this is the video for you, so stay tuned. Ain't nobody fresher than my click. Click. I don't even know why that song stuck in my head. It's literally been like a billion, kajillion years. Sail, people of Earth. When we say hats, I assume you mean baseball caps. But I mean, I have this really cool hat. That's not what the video is, so I'm just gonna put that away. So the first hairstyle that I'm gonna tell you guys about is very basic. It is just classic hat, but I'm gonna tell you how I like to style my hair with a hat. Just like placement of hat is really important as well. I normally put my hair in hats, not when it's like sunny, but more like when my hair is super greasy. Kind of like today where my hair is super greasy and I don't want to do anything to it, so I'm just gonna put a hat on. So what I like to do is kind of just fluff my hair around, let it do whatever, and then I like to pull it down as low as I can, but I want to make sure these pieces are still sticking out. So I don't like it when like my hair is like this behind my ears because it just looks kind of weird. So I really like to fluff it out, like to cover my ears. Everything is covered and it just gets hair out of my face and also sun out of my face. So this is hairstyle number one, just the classic like put the hat over the head, but placement of hair is VVV importante. Alrighty, so second hairstyle, this kind of looks like four, but second hairstyle is a little more complex. So honestly, I think hair looks so much cuter when you have a hat and your hair is like crimpy or wavy, but I got straight hair, so we're just gonna have to work with it. What I really like to do for this one is divide my hair into two sections like this, and I like to just pick pieces around this big, 2 inches. It's a pretty big section, but this part is totally up to you guys how big or small you like it. And I'm just going to divide my hair into 3 pieces and braid this. I'm going to braid this pretty loosely, so it's more a boho feel. And you guys can vary the size of your braids, how many braids you want. This part's totally up to you. So once I'm at the bottom, I'll tie my hair off. I really like doing just 2 because it keeps everything nice and simple. And boho, again, I think this hairstyle would look so much cuter if you have wavy hair. And so you guys can vary sizes, placement. I like to put them like right behind my ear. So I like to grab my hair, if I have my hair down like this, find where your ear is and just grab a section like this. Now I'm gonna vary it and I'm gonna actually do a twist. So now that these are braided, as you guys can see, I have a braid on this side and a twist on this side. And the thing I love about hats is like it can be as messy as you want or as neat as you want. We're gonna put the hat back on. This is hairstyle numero dos. I really have to give myself a talk before every video and be like, don't be so weird in this video. So the next one is the bun with the hair. So this one has a lot of, not technique, but you really want to get the perfect messy bun, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm just going to be taking a scrunchie that I have and I'm going to put my hair in a low messy bun. So as you can see here, I'm going to grab all my hair to the side like this and just kind of twist and turn. This part doesn't really matter. It's more of the how we frame our face part. The key to this hairstyle is right now, like our hair is like super slicked back and I feel like I'm ready to go to an interview for a job or something. I don't know why I'm like strutting myself, but it's kind of how I feel. So to soften things up, I like to just pull pieces from the sides of my hair. And to really soften up the look, I like to like pull on it and just make things look a lot messier and prettier. And I really like just pulling pieces like this. So also, side note, like this is also really cute, like just get your hair out of the way hairstyle. Like this is just relaxed, I'm ready to go, like you can go on a cute date, stuff like that. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but now we're gonna put on the hat. It just looks cute. I find this look the I'm ready to go work out look, or the I just finished working out look when you didn't really work out. So little insider's tip, if you want to look like you're working out but you're not working out, I also feel like a celebrity when I have my hair like this. You know when like celebrities have like their sunglasses on and they have their hair in a bun and a hat and you're kind of like, ooh, like no one will notice me because I'm a celebrity. Except I'm not a celebrity and I get like 100 views in my videos. But you know what? I'm gonna feel like one. Yeah, so this is hairstyle numero 2. Hairstyle number 4 is also really pretty like relaxed one. So I'm just take all my hair to one side of your preferred like shoulder, I guess. And we're just gonna put that into a 3-strand braid. The key to all hat hairstyles, I find, is have like really loose and have things like coming out, because I find that when things are really tight and structured, they're great for keeping things out of your face, but as you get more older, you really want things framing your face as opposed to being like right across your face and super tight. So when we get to the bottom, we're just gonna tie our hair. And what I like to do now is really just tug on the braid and make it super loose. You guys can also substitute this for like a twist or a fishtail. I just thought I'd show you guys with a normal braid, but this is totally like substitutable. And then now I'm just gonna start taking pieces again and frame my face. And another option as well is to take the whole braid, French braid it around the back, like do those throwback Katniss braids, but I wanted these hairstyles to be as simple and as easy as possible, so I didn't want to be too complex. Again, throw on the hat, make sure your face is framed the way you like, and this is hairstyle number 4. So this last hairstyle is probably the most complex out of all of them, and it's going to be the double Dutch braid. And I'm just going to start by taking a section of my hair from the top. So I have a side part and I don't want the braid starting too close to the part because that's just what like looks really young and I want to look a little older. So I'm going to start towards the middle, so I take a pretty big section around that big. Don't mind my greasy hair. What we're going to do is we're going to take this middle piece and place it over the top like this. So again, we're going to take this middle piece and place it over the top. And now I'm going to add a piece to the bottom here, and I'm going to hold on and add a piece to the top here. Now again, we're going to take this middle piece and place it over the left side, and then we're going to add in some hair to the left side, and we're going to place this middle piece over the right hand side. And we're just going to repeat this the entire time. So we're going to add in hair to the bottom, and then flip the middle over the left side, and then add in hair, and then flip the middle over the right side, and add in hair. I find that these Dutch braids, which is like the middle over the top, just flatters my face more, but you guys can definitely do any kinds of braids you want. So if you're more of a French braid person, stick with the French braid, and you really want to keep it towards your ear. So you don't want to be bringing your braid all the way back because you're going to be taking it down and you want people to be able to see it. So you always want to keep the braid as close to your like front of your face as possible. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side of our head as well. Again, I left pieces out here to frame my face, and I can do the exact same thing and pull it out of this side. I actually had to pick a bigger hat because the hat that I've been doing for the rest of the video doesn't fit around my head when I have 2 braids because they're like thicker. So you just put on your hat and ta-da! I think it's super cute. I love this look, especially my hair at the top just isn't working out for me. I go for this look, and this is the last and final hairstyle numero 5. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a big old like right down there. All my social media is right over here. So if you guys have any suggestions for future videos, you guys can comment that down below or tweet me at flipforhair22. I also am vlogging every single week now, so I'm posting weekly vlogs. That is also right there, so go click that right there. That'll take you to my vlog channel. It's really fun. I'm like vlogging with my friends and stuff, so it's a good time. You guys want to check that out. But other than that, don't forget to hit the notification bell down there to be notified every time I post a brand new video. And I'll see you guys next week for another Flip Hair Friday. Bye!